we're gonna put this engine performance restoration by BG in. We've heard good things about it. Honestly, I don't know if it's good enough to save this one, but we're gonna put it in, run it, and then do another compression check. So that's kind of the plan right now. I'm gonna go ahead and add it in to the old oil that we've got in the car. Engine performance restoration. We'll give it a shot. I'm gonna put the cap back on, run it, and that's what we're gonna do. So I just finished running her about 18 minutes. Very long, boring 18 minutes. So I'm gonna let everything cool off, and we're gonna change the oil, put fresh oil in it, and run it a little bit, and do a compression check. All right, back with you once again. Next step was take the plugs out. We got that done. Plugs look really good. And I got my little universal compression check thing here set up with the same size fitting as my spark plugs. I'll get Lori out here. I'll put this in, get my wife out here to crank it over for me while we do the compression check, and I'll let you know how it goes. All right, good morning. So yesterday we took a razor that had low compression, a little tired, and we did a compression check, and it was 75 on the left and 90 on the right. We added in this BG product here, it's engine performance restoration, and we ran it 18 minutes. Then I changed the oil and added in this BG engine oil supplement. And I ran it a little bit. And now we're gonna do a compression check to see if there's any improvement. Okay, Lori, go ahead and crank it over about 5 or 6 times. Okay. So right now on the left, we're about 95 on the left. From 75 to 20% or 20 PSI improvement on the left.
Sounds completely different.
Okay, now we're gonna do a second a check on the right. Again, yesterday was right at 90. Go ahead, Lori, crank it over. Yeah, good. So right now we're at about a little over about 110. So again, that's a 20 PSI improvement. So it looks like the product helped. We'll probably run it for 20 hours and maybe do it again to see if we can have another improvement. But other than that, I'm pretty satisfied with what happened here. So we're gonna go ahead and put some gas in it, and I'm gonna add in this fuel system cleaner and take it from there.